Hello, everyone. This video is for all of my ninth graders and their families. This video is about your ACT prep class. Yes, you all have an ACT prep class that you'll be completing throughout the year, and it's called ALEKS, or that's what the system is called that you're going to be using. So the class is ACT prep, and then the system that we're going to use for it is called ALEKS. Now you'll have an ALEKS icon that will appear on your Clever dashboard, and that is how you'll access the system. And today I wanted to give you a quick tutorial on how it actually worked and what your expectations are going to be for the class, how you're actually going to get credit for it. So here's a quick checklist of initially what to do. So once you see that ALEKS icon on your Clever dashboard, the first thing you're going to do is log in with Clever. So when you're in Clever, click on the ALEKS icon. It should take you to the ALEKS system. Now, the first thing I believe that it's going to prompt you to do is complete a tools tutorial. Basically, this is step-by-step instructions on how the system works. So some of the finer details, giving you a tutorial on how all of the tools work. The next thing you're going to do is your initial knowledge check. Now, this is very important. You will not be able to proceed with anything in ALEKS until the initial knowledge check is taken care of. You're going to be asked a bunch of questions. You're going to answer them to the best of your ability, and then based on that, you're going to get a learning path. So make sure that once you're prompted with that initial knowledge check, you take the time to do it, give it its due diligence, answer it honestly, and then afterwards, you're going to start your learning path, and I'll show you what that looks like here in a minute. 10 topics per week. I put this here, I'll remind you again at the end. To get full credit each week, to get your 100% grade, all you have to do is complete 10 topics per week. Master 10 topics per week. I'll show you what that looks like. So again, going over the steps one more time really quickly, log in through Clever, do the tools tutorial, and then you do that initial knowledge check. Once you're done with the initial knowledge check, you're going to be greeted with a screen that looks something like this. You're going to have this wheel that shows you like the topics that you've already mastered, what more you need. To start on the actual course, you're going to click over here where it says Start My Path. Based on the initial knowledge check, you're going to have a path already built for you, laid out for you in a logical sequence. Now, you can move to whatever topic, and you can move to whatever topic you want, right, in the system. But sticking to the learning path is preferred because, again, it lays it out in a way that the system thinks will be easiest for you to understand. The topics start off easier and get more and more difficult as they go on, just sort of building you up, right? Building your skills. So once you click on Start My Path, you'll probably be greeted with something like this. You'll see the topic up here, up at the top. And over on the side, I'm not at the top of the page here, but over on the side, you'll see a little banner that says Learning Page, and it's going to teach you this particular topic. There's a problem up at the top, and then I've scrolled the page down. Then the next part is the explanation, so how to solve it, and then you get your answer down here. So this is basically the teaching part of it, right? The learning page. If you ever want to click on the blue highlighted word, it'll give you an explanation as to what that word means. So if you don't know what a variable is, you can click on the word and it will explain to you what a variable is. There are tools on the side here. There's a calculator tool, a little video tool, and a few others. Those are the important ones. And then once you're done with this, once you feel confident, you click Start. Once you click Start, again, we're in a particular topic here. Once you click Start, you'll actually start to get problems that you'll need to solve that are related to that topic. Again, this is the same topic we were looking at before, except now we're actually answering them ourselves. Here's an example question that they have here. If you're confused on it, right, if you need some further help, you can click the explanation page or explanation button, and a page will pull up giving you an explanation as to how to solve the problem. Super, super useful, super helpful. You still have those tools over here on the right side of the screen. And then up here, this is your progress bar. This will show you how far you are and how close you are to mastering this particular topic. I believe once the bar is completely filled up is when you have mastered the topic. I believe that's how it works. Anyway, that's it. That's all I've got for you today. You just keep working through these topics like this, and like I said, 10 per week, so not a humongous commitment by any means. 10 per week, topics mastered, and you get your full 100% credit. And then anything less than that is proportional. So, okay, let me know if you have any questions about this. Some of you might not have ALEKS showing up on your Clever dashboard yet. Don't freak out. It should show up very, very soon. In fact, it's not even on my dashboard yet. Hopefully it will be put on there ASAP. But if it's already on there, then start on this immediately. Like I said, this is one of your classes, so make sure that you're taking care of it. All right, let me know if you have any questions, and I will talk to you all soon.